Thank you for watching another episode of Stone's Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what to love making next. This is a quick kit we got from Temu. I call him Gundam Bricks because he is definitely Gundam inspired. It's a small kit. Nothing much to say in the box there. Here is your instruction booklet. Pretty thin there. It's supposed to look, you know, like half a Gundam and half a Gundam without a skin, apparently. It's only a few bags here, so it'll be a pretty quick build. It's definitely Gundam inspired. I am a huge Gundam fan. Looking at the instructions, the colors look pretty good. And there's no numbers on bags, but it's a small kit, so that shouldn't matter. And we'll build it on camera and then give it a little quick review to see what we thought. Okay, I got it all done. This is the original RX-78 frame look. I'm calling this one Gundam Bricks. I mean, it looks a lot like the original RX-78. I mean, pretty good anyway. The face is a little bit, you know, not quite great, but just made out of small bricks. I think they did a pretty good job. It's mildly posable, but it comes apart pretty easily, so I mean, it's really just going to stand there and be something to look at if it's going to sit on a shelf somewhere. If you're planning to try to do a bunch of maneuvering around with it, I think you're going to end up having to hit it with some glue, but here and there. But yeah, I mean, it was a fun build. It was there were a lot of little pieces, so it took longer than I thought it would, but they went together pretty well. Not a whole lot of trouble with parts either just not fitting in together or falling apart a lot. There was a little bit of that, but not too bad. Alright, thanks for watching another episode of Stone's Reviews. Please hit that like button, please subscribe. Please consider supporting us on Patreon for $3 a month to add free access to our videos. That $3 will help you decide what to love making next. And it already popped off.
I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed. And one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon if you subscribe today. For $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.